spray the carpet, and there's a piece of tape on there. I'm just gonna spray it all on. I'm gonna spray it pretty liberally because this carpet is really nasty. Just gonna spray, spray, spray. It looks like it's doing a little something already. Let me put that down. Just gonna spray, spray, spray. Then I'm gonna grab a towel and wipe it real quick. Be right back. Oh yeah, that looks much better already. Let's go over here to the other spots that were pretty bad. Do you see those spots? I'm sorry, I'm holding the cameras and doing this with my other hand, so I apologize if it's wobbly. That looks wonderful. The lighting isn't too good in here, but look guys, look. That looks wonderful. All right, off to the next one, and then I will get back to you. Hold on. Okay, off to the next one. Now this rug right here